Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we will discuss about the multi-tester reading. This is a range. Range is times 1, times 100, times 10. Actual reading. Actual reading is equal to pointer reading times range. Legend. ER is equal to actual reading. PR is equal to pointer reading. R is equal to range. AC/DC voltage reading. AC range. This is the DC range. DC is equal to value per calibration. In AC range 1000 volts, the DC 1000 volts is equal to 20 per calibration. Ang range 250 sa AC and sa DC also 250. Ang per calibration is 5 per calibration. Kung 50 volts sa AC and sa DC is 50 volts, yung per calibration is 1 per calibration. Kung sa 10 volts is equal to 0.2 per calibration. Sa 2.5 volts, yung per calibration is 0.25 per calibration. At 0.5 volts, ang per calibration niya 0.01 per calibration. Ang 0.1 volt, ang per calibration niya is 0.002 per calibration. The Bible verse of the day, Hebrews 10:31. It is purple thing to pull into the hands of the living God. Thank you for watching guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.